Welcome to another stock analysis video performed by MajesticTrader.com, where active traders seek greater profits. So let's begin.
Hi everybody, this is Ron Lang with MajesticTrader.com doing a weekly video analysis on the S&P 500 and the market leaders. So what really happened this week? A lot of people were expecting a break of this pennant here to go a little bit higher, including yours truly, pushing its way towards the 1300 level, but that didn't happen. Really what we saw was more negative price action than positive price action. The majority of this week, yesterday and today, started out good but faded in the both afternoons. So really what's happening here is that we still continue this price compression and really waiting for a break of the up or the downside. A lot of people still feel bullish between now and year end. We'll have to see what happens. Either we're going to hit that 1300 to 1325 target to the upside, or if we break down, we'll break down quickly to that 1170 area down here before year end. So we'll keep an eye on that. So let's go through our market leaders, starting off with ExxonMobil. ExxonMobil briefly broke our pennant here, but really couldn't get through with any real conviction. So we would expect this to ride the trend for a little while, but really the trend is up to this supply resistance area here around 83.19. Next is Apple. Apple had some real good price action last week, and this week just kind of faltered a little bit and then meandered the last couple of days. So far, the holiday sales have been pretty good as what's been reported. So we're only looking for Apple to go higher. So we're looking for flat to higher on Apple. IBM basically pulled back pretty strongly this week, and we just set up this new target area here around 177, 178, and we're looking for pricing to hit that before it continues its upward trek. Microsoft has been on a nice steady uptrend here. Not getting too excited, not making any real headlines, but their sales so far have been strong with Xbox and Kinect sales, and their Xbox Live too, but really their bread and butter is truly operating systems. And they're expecting obviously sales to be up this quarter too, but price action has been pretty flat. So we're still looking for a 26.75 target on that. Walmart. Walmart basically is in a trading range, folks. We were looking for a pullback here to the 56.50, 56 area. Never happened. So it looks like we're going to stay right here between 57 and 59.50. Chevron had some negative price action this week along with many of the other Dow components. So we're looking for a pullback right to this supply-demand area here around 96, 97 before it makes its upward trek. Google had some interesting price action. There's some good news that came out this week regarding Droid and its market share, but really they're expecting their numbers to be pretty good. So essentially what we're looking at here is a rally base, and then we're looking for an extended rally here before year end to that 640, 645 level. Procter & Gamble. Procter & Gamble has been on a nice steady climb here, not making too many headlines, not exciting too many people, but we're looking for a year-end early January target of around $66.50 to $67. Telephone had some interesting price action this week. It was basically down at the open, but actually finished at the high of the day. And with this price action here, we might be looking at a double bottom off of this Fibonacci level here before it goes higher to that 29.50, 29.60 level that we called about a month ago. GE had some excellent price action last week when it raised its dividend. Price basically based and went higher here and just hit our target range here. We're expecting a little bit higher action, maybe to the 1750 level, but if it breaks 1750, we think it could hit $18 very quickly before the end of the year. Coke has not had very good price action over the last couple of weeks. Basically, what we're looking at here is we are looking at price action up to the $68 level. And that $68 level is really showing us what could potentially happen here if we come down to the downside. So one of the things that we want to look at here is that if it doesn't hit that $68.50, $69 level, we could be looking at a pullback here to that $65.50 range. McDonald's, everybody gets a Big Mac. But really it's their smoothies and coffee that's drawing people in. Probably a lost leader just to sell some other product. But what we're looking at here is it looks like it really wants to break this price channel. To try to do it, but without any real conviction. So we're looking for a pullback to the bottom of this channel before it goes higher up to that $99 level. Caterpillar. Caterpillar's been beaten up here, folks. Came back down to this level here. We were looking for an inverse head and shoulders, a break of this neckline here as a target, and then second target here at about 110, 111. It basically created a double bottom here. And if it goes below this level right here, approximately $87, we could be looking for a pullback to 75. Looks like price held very strongly here in a mixed to weakened market over the last couple of days. We believe price holds here and now goes higher up towards that $100 level before year end. And our market leader litmus test, the Dow Jones transportation index, is basically looking at it's riding in this trend line here, pushing back up to the supply resistance area here, 5041, might pull back. So we really need some serious conviction in the markets here, not only to hold this trend line in place, but to truly bust through and break through this level here on the transportation side. If we look at a potentially measured move here for an ascending triangle, we're looking at a potential target of around 5,600 on the transportation side. So if we're looking at around 5,600, we're looking to where we were in late June timeframe. So that's a very interesting measured move right into the supply zone here, which could happen in the first half of 2012. Just a quick note, folks. Our newsletter that comes out weekly on Sundays is coming out with part 2 of 3 parts of our 2012 market forecast and predictions. If you're interested in getting the newsletter at a promotional price, go to our website at www.majestictrader.com, hit request a newsletter, and say YouTube weekly video, and I'll make sure I send you a code for a discounted discounted price on our newsletter for 1 month trial. So folks, that's it. Have a terrific weekend, and hopefully all your trades are green.
Thank you for attending another MajesticTrader.com's stock chart analysis. Visit our website to request one of our newsletters. Go to our website at www.majestictrader.com. In the upper right-hand corner, put in your email address and your name, and we'll send you out a copy. Once you become a member, you'll have access to complete trade performance, all stock analysis videos, archived newsletters, and midweek alerts that are trading ideas. We'll send those out to you via email. Again, thank you for attending.